Now I'll show you how to make the pudding layer of our peanut butter meringue pie. We're going to need 3 egg yolks to make the pudding filling, and we're going to need 3 egg whites to make the meringue filling. So I'm going to separate these eggs right now. Just crack the egg lightly and move the yolk from shell to shell, being careful not to get any yolk in that white, just letting the white drop down. You want to make sure that the container that you put your white in is absolutely clean with no grease. And if you get any yolk in the white, you should either pull it out very carefully or start over and use a different egg white. Okay, just pull that egg apart very carefully so as not to break your yolk. And just let the egg white drop into the cup as you put the yolk back and forth. And drop the yolk in there. And here's number 3. Oops, don't let that yolk get away. Transfer those yolks. Okay, now let's place our yolk. We'll put our white aside. That's going to be for the meringue. We'll put our yolk into our pot, and we'll add our 2½ cups of milk. And now I want to whisk that up good. Just stir, incorporate that egg yolk nice and smooth. It should be well incorporated. Okay, now let's add our 1/2 cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Get that all in there. And stir that up. Next we'll go to the stove and we'll cook that until it gets thick and bubbly.